Using a 7mm wrench, unscrew the toggle switch nuts. Be careful not to scratch the paint. Remove the bottom plate. Using a flat screwdriver, carefully pry out the rockbrain module. Work slowly from both sides, a little bit at a time. Next, you need to remove the volume pot knob. Carefully push it out with a flat screwdriver. Peel off this piece of foam. The main board should now come out of the enclosure fairly easily. If it's stuck, do not use force. Check for anything that could prevent it from coming out, such as parts rubbing together, and work it loose gently. Reassembly. Pay attention to the LEDs, making sure they line up with the holes. Insert a flat screwdriver in the gap between the bottom of the main board and the enclosure. Gently turn the screwdriver to push the main board upwards until it stops. Line up the rockbrain with the pins on the main board. Note that it only fits one way, not this way. Gently push it in from both sides at the same time. Reinstall the nuts for the toggle switches. Tighten the nuts with the 7mm wrench. Do not over-tighten. Stick back the piece of foam on the enclosure wall underneath the battery.